Hi people, today I'm gonna teach you that how you can log in a single WhatsApp account into two separate phones. It's a very basic procedure, and I will teach you, or I will guide you into 1 minute that how to log in this single account into two separate mobile phones, as you can see. So without wasting time, coming to the procedure, and you have to first check out where your account is logged in initially, or the main mobile phone where you have first time logged in into the account. So you have to come into the settings. For that you have to click this three dot, and you have to click this linked device. So as you can see that there is an option of link device, and my iOS is already active, and it is showing that my WhatsApp is also logged in into my iOS or my iPhone. So you have to just simply click this link device, and you have to confirm this biometrics for security reasons, as I have just placed my thumb on it. So you can see it's a QR code scanner visible here, so it will appear in front. And secondly, into the second mobile phone where you want to add this account, you have to come into the settings. As the settings is open, so you have to come into this account, and you can also access it from there. See at the corner there is an option of QR code is not coming into focus, so check, this is the QR code. You have to simply click it, and you have to just simply scan it, and you will get the login into the second phone. It's very simple and very common procedure you can follow to log in a single account to your mobile phone for your personal reasons. So for such educational and informative videos, please do subscribe my channel, and don't forget to mention and comment from which country you are watching this video. See you in the next video. Thank you everyone.